Good morning, students. Welcome to our class for today. This is Teacher Shy and welcome to our online class. All right, so today we will be talking about exciting sports. Exciting sports. Now, before we start, I would like to ask the parents, students, or guardians to please type the student's English name, number, and class. Okay, make sure to include the number in English, okay, because Teacher Shai will record, okay, will record the students' attendance, okay, English name, number, and class. All right, so again, today we will be talking about exciting sports. Okay, so from the word itself, sports. Okay, so sports like basketball, volleyball, badminton. But we have the word exciting. Okay, so it means it's a bit more exciting. Okay, a bit more extreme than those sports. Okay, so we will talk about some sports, some exciting sports, and then I need you to say your opinion. Okay, what can you say about, okay, so let's start with the vocabularies. I think you already learned some words, and then we have 3 or 2 new words, and then sentences and activity. Okay, so let's review. Everybody, what is this picture? What is this picture? It's surfing. Okay, good job. One more time. Surfing. All right, so surfing. Surfing. Okay, next. What is this? It's rafting. Very good. Everybody say rafting, or we also say water rafting. Okay, so rafting, rafting, rafting. Okay, rafting. Next. Oh, okay, just like every day, or in the sports area, biking. Okay, biking. Ing. Sorry. Ing. Okay, so biking. All right. Next. Skating. Okay, okay, macam skating. No. Skating. Skating. All right, so in this picture, we have this kind of skating, but we also have ice skating, Shimai, ice skating, or skateboarding. That's also like skating. Okay, next one. Oh, now let's go to our new vocabularies. Okay, so I think we have 3 new vocabularies. Let's start with, okay. All right, so everybody, let's say it together. Mountain biking. Mountain biking. Mountain biking. Okay, mountain. What is mountain? Mountain, like this one. Look at the picture at the back. Look at the picture at the back. What are those? Okay, those are mountain. Those are mountain. Okay, mountain. This one. Okay, this one. And even this one. Okay, mountain. Mountain. And then biking. Biking. Look at the man. What is the man doing? He is biking. Where is he biking? In the mountain. So we call it mountain biking. Mountain biking. Mountain biking. Mountain biking. Mountain biking. Good job. Mountain biking. Next. Rock climbing. Okay. Silent B na. Rock climbing. 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 Rock climbing. Rock climbing. Okay, so as you can see at the back, these are like big rocks. Okay, very huge, big rocks. Okay, and climbing. Climbing like a monkey. Okay, rock climbing. All right. One more time. Rock climbing. Rock climbing. Rock climbing. Good job. And last one, canoeing. 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 Okay, so canoeing, this is what we call a canoe. Okay, so when you ride this one and then you paddle, 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 and then that's canoeing. Okay, canoeing in the river, canoeing in the lake. Canoeing. Canoeing. I think this is not it's like a lake, and then in some part of the sea. Okay, canoeing. 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 Okay, so the stress is in new, canoeing. Okay, so the 3 new vocabularies today are mountain biking. One more time. Mountain biking. Good job. Next. One more time. Good. And okay. Canoeing. 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 Okay, good job. Now let's go to some adjectives. Okay, adjectives are words that we use to describe. Okay, describe. So for example, we say, Teacher Shai is beautiful. Okay, so the beautiful is adjective. Okay, so adjectives we have 5. Okay, so we use these adjectives to describe the sports that we talked about before. Okay, so we have, let's read them first. Exciting. 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 Okay, next. Fun. Fun. Okay, fun. I think I know fun is sanok. 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 Next. Easy. Easy. Okay, easy. Easy. Boring. 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 Difficult. 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 Okay, good job. Now, what is the meaning? What are the meaning of this? What are the meanings of this word? Okay, so we will start with, okay, exciting. What are these words in Thai? Is that correct? If Teacher Shai's, if Google Translate is wrong, you can look at your dictionaries. Okay, exciting. Next one is fun. What do you mean by fun? Snoop. Next one was, what was the next one? Fun and easy. Ngai. Next one is boring. Na bừa. And boring and difficult. Yeah. Okay, so those are the meanings of our adjectives for today. Again, let's read them all in English. One more time. Let's go. Exciting, exciting. Okay, read 2 times. Fun, fun. Next. Easy, easy. Next. Boring, boring. And difficult, difficult. Good. Now let's go to our sentences now. We will be using our sports and then adjectives. Sports and then adjectives. Now we have here 2 people. 2 people. Okay, 2 people. This is A and this is B. So A will say, A says, what do you think of? 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 Okay, so what? Aray, whatใช่ไหม? Do you think? Okay, so what is your opinion? What can you say about? Okay, what do you think of? So as you see, we have a blank here. So what do you think of? We will write a sport, okay, a sport name. So let's say, for example, what do you think of? What do you think of biking? What do you think of biking, for example? So what do you think of biking? So what can you say about biking? What do you think? What do you think about biking? Is it exciting? Is it fun? Is it easy? So how will B answer? I think, okay, I think, and then the name of the sport, the name of the sport that we use here is biking shimai. So if you use biking here, you also write biking here. Okay, biking. Nah, biking shimai, and here biking as well. I think biking is, and then we write an adjective. Biking is, what do you think? Is it fun? Easy? Ngay? Sanok? Natunten? Or what was the last one? Teacher, I forgot. Okay, so we write the adjective here. So let's, for example, let's say, for example, I think biking is easy. Ngay. Okay, so I think biking is easy. All right, so we wrote biking here, we wrote biking here as well, and then adjectives, boring, difficult, exciting, fun, and easy. Okay, so let's look at some examples. Okay, so let's look at some example. Now we have a picture here. Now what do you think is this picture? Okay, so paddling in the river. It's rafting. That is correct. It's rafting. So let's read the question A. Let's read what A said. What do you think of rafting? One more time. What do you think of rafting? So since we wrote rafting here, B will answer, I think, what do we write here? What do we write? Rafting. Okay, so I think we can rafting anishimai, so we write rafting here as well. Okay, rafting, rafting. I think rafting is, what do you think? Rafting. I think, for Teacher Shai, I think rafting is fun. No, I think rafting is sanok, fun. So alay kaday na, up to you. What do you think? Because it's you who thinks. What do you think? Exciting, fun, easy. It's correct. Okay, so let's look at another example. Another example. Okay, so another example. What do you think is this picture? Okay, so look at Nina, it's just plain, just straight. Machay mountain. So what is it? It's biking. All right, so it's biking. So since we write biking here, we also write biking in here. So let's read first what A says. What do you think of biking? What do you think of biking? So B will answer, I think biking. All right, so I think biking is exciting. I think biking is exciting. Okay, so now remember our sentences for today. Now we have what do you think of? Okay, what do you think of blank? So we write here the sport. What do you think of canoeing? What do you think of mountain biking? What do you think of rock climbing? Okay, I think if we wrote rock climbing, ani rock climbing. If we wrote rock climbing, then we wrote rock climbing in here as well. So we say, I think rock climbing is easy. I think rock climbing is fun. I think rock climbing is exciting. Okay, so this is where we wrote the adjectives. Okay, all right, so let's try. Oh, let's try some activities here. So what I need you to do is I need you to say or to write, what do you think of the sports here? What do you think of these sports here? Okay, so we have number one is, what is number one? Number one is surfing. Number one is surfing. Number two is canoeing. Number two is canoeing. And number three, rock climbing. Number three is rock climbing. Now, what do you think of surfing? What do you think of canoeing? What do you think of rock climbing? So this is where you write your answers now. I think surfing is, I think canoeing is, and I think rock climbing is. Okay, so write your answers in your notebook. Write the sentences in your notebook. Okay, notebook, samut, notebook. All right, so if you have any questions, please mention me. Okay, you can ask your questions in the group chat of Patham 4, or you can ask your questions in the comments of this post. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye bye.